Decoding English, Slang versus Colloquialisms. Hey, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of informal language, slang and colloquialisms. Have you ever wondered about their differences and similarities? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use them. Slang is a type of informal language that is often used within a specific group, like teenagers, certain professions, or even among friends. It's dynamic, evolving quickly over time. New slang words can become popular overnight and fade away just as quickly. Examples include terms like lit, to describe something that's exciting, or on fleek, to describe something that's perfect. Colloquialisms, on the other hand, are informal expressions or terms used in everyday conversation rather than informal speech or writing. They might not be as tied to a particular group as slang is, but they are regionally specific. For instance, in the UK, someone might say they are feeling peckish when they're a little hungry. Let's line them up side by side. 1. Origin. 2. Slang. Often arises within specific groups. 3. Colloquialisms. More about regional or general informal speech. 4. Usage. 5. Slang. Can be trendy and changes quickly. Might be unknown to older generations or those outside the group. 6. Colloquialisms. Used in everyday conversation by a broader audience but can still be confusing for non-natives or those from other regions. 7. Durability. 8. Slang. Tends to change rapidly. 9. Colloquialisms. Might last longer and be more stable over time, although they can evolve too. 10. Examples. 11. Slang. Bruh, YOLO, no cap. 12. Colloquialisms. Catch you later, y'all, g'day mate. Both slang and colloquialisms. 1. Are informal in nature. 2. Reflect cultural nuances, making them tricky for language learners. 3. Can be a fun and engaging way to sound more natural in conversation. Alright, there you have it, a closer look at slang and colloquialisms. Both add flavor and personality to language, but it's essential to understand their differences and where they come from. We hope this video has given you a clearer insight into these informal language forms. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to sprinkle some slang or colloquialisms into your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!